Hello JPEG viewers. So today we are sharing a few cases of capsular fibrosis and the peel or cut dilemma. That one decision can change everything. Okay, so let's start with the first case. So here we have a central capsular fibrosis. Now the center isn't really the problem. It's this innocuous looking peripheral linear band over this area. Now I started my rhexis at the clear non-fibrotic area, slowly making my way around the fibrosis. So there are multiple specks of fibrosis on the anterior capsule radiating from the central area. So I made sure to slowly make my way around it to prevent peripheral tear from propagating. I know that everything can go south at any point. Now the moment of reckoning. Shall we peel or cut? I decided to just gently peel while staying cautious and aware that the rhexis could run peripherally from this point. But fortunately, that didn't happen. Okay, so moving on to the next case. Now this one already has a resorbed area adjacent to a fibrotic cataract that is quite adherent to the capsule. Here you'll notice wrinkling of the anterior capsule with the help of trypan blue. So this is our problem area right here. Peeling here can go both ways, and in this case, it chose to go south. But don't fret, the rhexis is still continuous, and we can proceed to complete it. Now for this type of cataract, I decided to scoop out the contents and carefully emulsify them. I then gently aspirate the cortex around the fibrotic area, being careful not to tug on it. Next, I release the adhesion between the fibrotic cortex and both the posterior and anterior capsules. Now, I am aware that there is no way to remove this adherent fibrotic area without exerting traction on the capsule and risking inadvertent zonulysis. So I implanted the lens first to protect the capsular bag. I then moved to clearing the visual axis by removing the tenacious fibrotic lens material using anterior vitrectomy. Now, the goal here is to remove what we can from the visual axis, as it's impossible to safely remove the material beyond the rhexis edge. And this is how the eye looks post-operatively day 1. The patient is very happy with her restored vision. Now, another post-traumatic cataract with phacodonesis, central capsular fibrosis, and more extensive peripheral fibrosis. Now, the fibrosis is best visualized with trypan blue. You'll notice corrugation and extensive wrinkling in the involved areas. Also note lens movement during rhexis. At this point, you can no longer propagate a tear. The capsule is too fibrotic, so you have to cut through it using micro scissors. From there, you can gently peel the rhexis while remaining mindful of the surrounding specks of fibrosis diffusely scattered across the capsule. Because of zonular laxity, I will forego my usual carousel technique. Instead, we introduce the twist and tilt technique. It's a tensionless nuclear disassembly. We'll have a separate video dedicated to this, but let me briefly demonstrate it here. So after the initial chop, Do not rotate the nucleus. Instead, twist the bevel of the phaco tip towards the heminucleus that you want to engage. Apply vacuum, tilt it toward you, and continue chopping. So let's go through it again. Twist, tilt, chop, and eat. Now on to the other side. Twist, tilt, chop, and eat. Now for the remaining fragment. Twist, tilt, and bring it centrally. Then the rest proceeds routinely. And again, Dr. J. Prasha will discuss this technique in more detail in the next video. And this is how the patient looks post-operatively. I hope you enjoyed the video and picked up a few useful surgical pearls along the way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.